Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the oil in our Yamaha SHO 250. We're going to do the engine oil and the lower unit oil. So let's go.
That's it to slow.
Alright. One in the front and one in the back.
I got it off.
Oh, you did? So we're taking the screws out?
Yeah, they're here.
Where are they at?
One's right here,
Alright.
and there's one right there.
Oh, way up in there.
3 here, and number 4 is back here.
And then the one back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you'll see here where you have to jiggle this off of this rubber mount, push forward and slide it out.
Let's take it off.
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Get that.
Alright, so now we're taking off the bolts, get the cover off. Oh, that's the one. Can I use power tools on this thing?
Huh?
Can't use a power tool or something? A driver?
I don't like to.
Oh.
Too easy to strip the aluminum.
Yeah, it's alright. There's all the 4 screws. So we got all the screws out, and now we gotta jimmy it free.
You know what? I think you're right about screw. Here,
Yeah, I think there is some screws.
what's this
along the
right
top.
here? No, that's on top, so that's.
Yeah, it's not gonna be the
Mm-mm.
part of that. I think there's some along here. So we found out there are 2 more bolts or screws right here and right there. So once we get those all out, we'll be able to push this forward to get past these little pins right here, and then we'll pull it off.
There you go. You push the. Look at that.
That wasn't that hard. Got it off. Alright, so here's the drain plug.
What's that look like about it?
9.5
Yeah.
inch, 9/16. Oh, you think it's metric?
Oh, they're all metric, yeah. Japanese, but
Oh, that's true, huh?
let me go get a.
Alright, so we're gonna drain the oil. So first we're gonna crack the oil cap to let it drain faster. And then we're gonna take the drain plug out, which is a 14 millimeter. So let's do it. Well, we're gonna try to use a funnel. But we'll see how it goes. Oh, this one can shoot out.
No. Believe it.
That's a lot of oil. Funnel did not work out. How much oil is in here?
6.7 quarts.
Well, we drained the oil. It was a little bit more messy than I would have liked. Hey, we're
Live and learn, live and learn.
yeah.
We could have took it to Yamaha.
So I guess if you're gonna do this, I wouldn't recommend using a funnel. Just have something beneath it to direct the oil into the pan. Some people use like a paper plate or something.
Yeah, I seen that. Yeah.
Funnel just is not the deal, that's for sure. But hey, we got it out. And so next, take the oil filter off, which is right there. And then put some new oil in it. So one little PSA I have is that if you have these power poles, this is all fiberglass right here, so try not to touch that too much. It can make it a little itchy. Sound there pretty tight?
Yeah, too tight, that's for sure.
Huh. Oil filter should only be hand tight.
Yep.
I don't know what the heck they were doing. Wow. Holy cow. You probably get it over hand now. Is oil gonna come out of there?
No, there won't be nothing in there.
I hope not.
No, it drains out into the block. They have on the newer engines, they have a shield down here to catch it. The older ones don't. Yeah. So this is December 8th, 9th. No, 8th.
Yeah, something like that.
And this oil was last changed September 16th, 21. This is 23.
It's a couple of years, huh?
92 hours when they changed it. 104 hours on it now, so hour-wise is not bad.
Yeah. All right, so we got the oil drain filter off. So now we're just gonna put the filter back on, fill up with oil, and then we're gonna start on the lower unit. All right, you wanna put it back in?
Go ahead. Just don't cross it.
Yeah. I wouldn't put it too tight. We'll put the torque wrench on it.
You know, trust me. I bet you I can get it within.
Yeah, we're doing that.
The boy don't trust the old mechanic.
You're not a boat mechanic. I'm curious. Let's get the torque wrench.
All right.
20 foot-pounds. Let's see how close you are. Pretty good. All right. So here's this Yamaha oil filter. It's got this nice little plastic cover on it.
Keep it clean.
Yeah, that's nice.
They gave you a rag.
Putting some oil on there. Alright. I need you to be the cameraman.
Nah.
You in the camera? Alright, here we go. New filter.
Remind me to get a pen over at O'Reilly's and to write the date on that.
Alright.
You know?
Yeah. How tight should we go here? You can't really get your hands on. Yeah, I think that's good.
You know, I don't know if I have a wrench. You gonna take that plastic off? Filter? Oh, you put it all up.
Yeah, I took the plastic off.
Yeah, did you take the plastic off?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Alright, so here's the oil change update. Filter's on, nice and tight. We got the drain plug tightened to 20 foot-pounds. That's the torque spec. Next is we're gonna fill her up. So here's the oil we're using. This is regular Yamaha engine oil. But after 100 hours, you can put full synthetic. But some people say it's still not good. So we're just gonna go with the normal engine oil. And it's 6.6 quarts with the oil filter. Here's the part number right here. I think that's the part number right there. And then here's the oil we're using. Yamaha Performance. So we're gonna get this going. Can you reach it? Not killing yourself?
We're gonna put all this one in. I'm going with 7.
7 quarts.
7 quarts.
So we got 2-gallon jugs, so put 1 gallon in. And then I guess 3 quarts of the other jug. That'll give us 7 quarts. Oh, I didn't put the plug in.
You better run down there and do it. It's a big motor. 4.2 cubic inches. or so, well, they don't do cubic inches.
Liters?
That's liters.
Yeah.
254 cubic inches, I believe. Some people said 7.1. Some people said 6.7. I'm going with 7 quarts, and I'll check it.
Okay. You heard the man. 7 quarts, and we're checking.
But we can't start it to fill up the filter, so we'll go for a little over to allow for the filter.
And you don't want to start it with the...
No, Yamaha says absolutely not.
Huh.
Unless you have the bottom muffs.
Yeah. All right, where are we at?
That's exactly where it was when we changed the oil, just drained it, right there. Here's full up here at this mark. They say you run this engine anywhere between these marks, but I want it on full.
Yeah.
So we need to put some more oil in.
Okay.
It's taking a while to drain down, but
So next we're changing the fuel filter.
right. It's underneath this shield. We gotta take these bolts off here, take the
Okay.
shield off, then take these 2 bolts out. The filter will come out. And change it.
Cool.
And that's it.
Boom. Now I just crawl in the hole.
Where'd you put that?
I don't know. I'm just throwing bolts around right now.
We need to stop.
Well, you know, when you get deep into it, you just start tearing it apart, you know? All right, well, it's out, so. We just unscrew it?
Yep. I wonder if we should have that way.
Wow.
They say they have a special wrench for that. So do I too. It's called a big pair of pliers.
This thing is tight, man.
Something's gonna break.
Yeah. Can we just take it out completely? Take these lines off, or? All right, now I'm really not playing right now. Golly. Shit, that thing is tight.
Think it's ever been off.
I doubt it. I think the best thing is to just take these hoses off and get...
Get it out.
It looks like there's a wire right here.
Well, that's for the water
Okay.
separator.
So yeah, let's just take these hoses off. And...
How's that wire come out the bottom?
For sure. No, it's a little tab right here. This tab does something.
Yeah. I didn't see the
pull
tab.
It, pull it. There you go. And then that should be good.
I don't think, you know, gas won't come out because it's fuel injected.
Yeah. They're pretty tight on there. All right. I think that's a better idea than trying to muscle it on there. So look for water in your gas, you look for bubbles.
Yep. You'll see separation. And there's none in there. It's good. I hate to try to break them, you know.
All right, let's take it to the vise, huh? Here comes the muscles right here. Wow. Wow. Whew.
How could that be so tight in here?
What if we tried a belt? It won't go. Man, you know what's going on with this. Tell him what's going on.
I don't even know what's going on. I'm just following your directions.
All right, so we just put the
Gas filter.
fuel filter in for about
Housing.
for about 30 minutes down the freezer. We're gonna get it out. Bam. And so now we're gonna try and break this puppy free.
Cold.
Yeah, well, I hope so. So here we go.
You want to put it in the vise?
Whoa, wow. So this is really cold. So our theory here is it's gonna constrict this gasket, and it should
Rubber gasket.
break free at this point.
Holy cow, I'm going to church on Sunday.
All right, man, there it is. We got it. Didn't break it, surprisingly.
That is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
So if you ever taken your fuel filter housing off your 250 Yamaha SHO and you can't get that thing cracked,
Freeze it.
just put it in the freezer for 30 minutes and then you're good to go. All right, so now we got our new fuel filter, Yamaha. Here, hold up again. Here's a part number right there. Open that bad boy up. Did you remember how the filter goes in there? Oh yeah. So pop that back in there. How you do it? You want that part up, along with the little inlet there for the fuel. And then it didn't come with a new gasket.
I can't believe that.
So I guess it doesn't need one if Yamaha doesn't give it to you. Man, there is a fuel filter housing wrench you can get, but I'm not sure how much it is. I'm sure Yamaha is going to charge you something.
Yeah.
So, I could see them upcharging you on that. So I think this freezing trick is
Unbelievable.
the way to go.
If you'd have told, I'd have laughed at you if you'd have told me that.
Well, yeah, it makes sense.
You want to give it a squeeze?
No, because we won't be able to get off again.
We'll freeze it.
All right, so we got that all done. We're gonna put that back on, and then you got the fuel water separator
Yep.
too.
Yep.
Okay.
Here's the big boy.
Sierra. Holy cow!
He said that's under there somewhere.
That looks like a truck filter.
Yep.
Golly, there's a part number on that guy. Fuel water separating filter.
I've never even seen it on there.
So that guy is next. All right, so I'm gonna put this back on real quick. And there's this plug right here you gotta get. Here's this plug right here. Just route it through under this little bracket right here, and then plug it in.
It's for your water. Tell you if you got water.
Okay.
You got it all in?
Just loose. But yeah, I didn't tighten it fully down yet. So what's next?
That's it.
So now we're doing the water fuel separator. And this thing is down in there, man. It is, well, right there. That's what we gotta get. So this is right on the transom.
I think, yeah. I never saw it.
in the battery box. So I'm gonna loosen that up, hopefully somewhat easily. I think ours is a little bit bigger, huh?
Yeah, but you know, it's the same size.
Yeah.
Gasket matches up.
Oh, I got some fuel in there. I think it'll have enough room down there. Where did you get that one off of?
It came with the kit,
Oh.
with the oil change kit for the Yamaha 250.
Yeah. Well, you know, it's hidden up under there. It's like right there underneath. It's not too hard to get to. It wasn't overly tight like all the other filters seem to be. But we're gonna put the new one back on, and then after that we're doing a lower unit.
I don't know, are we?
Might as well.
It's nowhere near us.
Yeah, it doesn't take too long. Alright, so now we're doing the lower unit. So the first step is to take these little covers off. And it looks like, what size Allen head is it?
That's a 4.
And then not too much else, just those two. There's a plug right there, that top plug. First we're going to take this bottom plug out. So there's the bottom plug. Right there. You want me to take the plug out?
Yeah.
Okay. So we take the bottom one out first.
There's only one.
Yeah, there's one right
Oh,
here.
that's right. Yeah.
Not much is going to come out right now. I don't think it
Nothing
should.
will hardly come out
Yeah.
until you take the top off.
That is.
Here, give me up.
Man,
Got new O-rings to put on
there's
that.
some good stuff on that. Yeah.
Gunk.
Yeah. This must not have not been changed in a long time.
There it comes. Okay.
Yeah. Doesn't look too bad.
No, it doesn't. I'll just feel better knowing it's
Brand new.
brand new.
Alright, so to fill this up, we have to assemble the pump here. And so what this does is this piece threads into the lower unit, and then we thread this into here, like so. And then we thread this into the motor and use this to pump it up. So we're gonna go put this in there real quick and then put some oil in it. Thread this into the lower unit. Let's get this in there. Cord here. It's coming out the top now.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna pump it a little bit more just to make sure it's full, you know.
Let me give you the top screw. Oh yeah, that's coming out. Yeah. Well, you put a whole cord in.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Put the last little snug on there. Oh yeah, it's tight. Oh man, here we go, huh? Oh crap. All right. That's in there.
oil is changed.
Okay, I'll hold this side in while you.
All right.
Okay. Now you're done.
All right, we did it. Did the engine oil. What else did we do?
Lower half,
Lower unit,
water separator.
water set, fuel filter.
Mm-hmm.
So
And the
next,
freezer.
and the freezer. So next video will be on the water for sure.
I hope so.
All right.